Graduation only happens once, but what if your group photo was ruined? After my graduation, our class photo came out completely blurry, everyone's faces were just pixels. I googled solutions and found Wondershare Repairit. Download and open it. Under the Photo Repair feature, just click the Start and imported the photo file you want to repair. Then clicked Repair, and it worked until the full complete video appeared in the repair results. This tool fixed it in minutes. Literally magic. Minutes later, the image was crystal clear, every smile, every face, perfectly restored. Don't lose your memories. Repair corrupted data in any scenario with Repairit now.